About an hour and a half ago, a fourth day of jury selection wrapped up in the trial of the three men charged with murdering Ahmaud Arbery.
8 more potential jurors are moving forward in this process. News4JAX reporter Renee Benenati has been following what's been happening inside the courtroom. Joins us now live in Glynn County. Renee?
Kent, around 9 o'clock, attorneys finished questioning the fourth group of potential jurors. Court went on several hours longer today compared to the past 3 days, the judge doing what he can to speed up this process.
Otherwise, no one here recognizes Travis.
20 more panelists questioned by attorneys at the Glynn County Courthouse Thursday.
Some of those issues.
They're one step closer to securing the pool of 64 people they want to move on to the next phase. It has taken more time than expected.
I do ask for your patience in that regard. We don't rush through anything in Superior Court. We're very deliberate about what we do for a lot of reasons.
Defense attorneys also taking aim at supporters of Arbery's family.
We don't get no justice. They don't get no peace.
They argued that the crowds outside of the courthouse and the signs they've been holding like these could influence potential jurors. Arbery's aunt says that is not their goal.
We're not doing nothing out here to hurt nobody. Everything we're doing out here is just for justice, peace, love, support.
The judge responded saying that the courthouse grounds are public, where people can exercise their First Amendment rights.
It's important for us to have a transparent democracy, and that's what we are doing. We're letting the folks who are going in there to know that we think what they're doing is important.
The judge did ask for anyone coming into the gallery, including Arbery's father, to not wear any pins, hoping to keep this environment neutral. The process of finding a jury that can be impartial and fair is proving to be difficult and lengthy, especially in this small town that has been transformed because of Arbery's death. Tonight, the judge announced that jury selection will pick back up on Monday, not tomorrow morning, citing personal obligations by one of the attorneys. Coming up tonight at 11, hear how a group of musicians from Brunswick is coming together to share Arbery's story. Reporting live from Glynn County, Renee Benenati, Channel 4, the local station.